Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring World Edit is ready and you made a world backup. Do that now. Once done, walk to one corner of the schematic and run the first position command, then move to the opposite corner and set the second position. Make sure your selection perfectly encloses the pasted schematic volume so you don't remove nearby builds. This quick, precise selection is critical because the next command will overwrite everything inside, that box with air or targeted replacements. With the volume selected, expand the selection vertically if needed to capture the whole schematic. Then run the replace command to turn every block inside into air. That is //set 0. If the schematic contains specific blocks you want to keep or remove only certain types, use //replace block 0 for targeted deletions. Make sure you watch chunk boundaries and lag. Large selections can freeze the server briefly, so stagger or use smaller subselections if needed. After removal, force a world save and, if on a server, restart to flush changes. If you immediately regret the action, use World Edit's undo to restore the selection unless other actions occurred afterward. For stubborn visual glitches or missing entities, reload chunks and check region files. Restore from your backup if structural corruption appears. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep the backup until you verify the area for at least one full server restart. That single backup is your safety net.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.